It's journey time in the snow. Yeah, on my way to going to learn to drive truck.
It's time for something a little freaky!
Oh yeah, AnthWare proudly presents, oh yeah, Butt Fucked RV.
It's totally fucked!
I wanted to check this out. It's the EAA Aviation Museum on my way to Appleton, Wisconsin. Wow, this is the Eagle hangar. Look at all those planes. I bet you Mark is getting a hard on right now. I was actually kind of hoping this was a flight simulator, but nope, it's just a place you can sit down, watch a video, and play with the buttons. That's about it. But cool nonetheless. Loading terrain data. Oh boy. Yeah, I've got to land it, but I don't know how. Oh boy. Yep, that's how you land it, but how do I stop it? Push it down? How about a hot air balloon simulator? We're going up! We're going up! Yay! Does this feel like the real thing? I think I'm going to have as much luck with this one as I did the other simulator. With the weather today, this part of the museum doesn't look like it has much activity. We have binoculars over there, but there's not much going on out there. Bummer. So a lot of planes in this area are experimental, because that's why it is for this museum. Cool. Okay, let's get this RV in. We're at the campsite now. That's right. No water though. No water, we got electric. I'm just getting her backed in, trying to figure out exactly where I want it. Yeah, one cool thing though, even though I don't have water, right next to the outhouses. Oh yeah. Oh, let's get in here. I'm so excited. This is where I'm gonna spend the next month. Wow. Got everything put back together and back in order after everything was kind of a mess a little bit after traveling. Kind of neat because inside the RV it still feels the same, cozy's home. What is surprising though is when the view outside your door changes. Yeah, Today I gotta go get me a little snow shovel so I can dig out the picnic table and the fire pit back there and kind of explore around the local area to learn where the laundromat is, the shopping areas, Walmart, you know, where to get my propane, all that fun stuff. So that's going to be our journey for today, and maybe we can have a campfire once I dig all this out tonight. All right, got my snow shovel. Let's go dig out that fire pit. There, that's a lot better. Now, let's do the picnic table. Much better. I even turned it a little bit, leveled it out with some wood that it was in the fire pit. Yeah, cool. Kind of think I want to go walk around and explore now. Weather's pretty nice. A little windy, but it's above freezing and the sun's out. Oh, it's beautiful. Much better than Fort Wayne, Indiana. Sitting here with me a little heater on, enjoying some wine. Gonna have a campfire here soon. Ah, look at that beautiful view out my window. Ah, yeah. If you don't want to have neighbors, go camping in the winter. Oh, yeah. Look at that empty campground, baby. Yeah. There we go. My first winter campfire. Let's see how this turns out. See, can we get it roaring? It's not a raging fire, but it's a fire. But my God, just look at it out there. Ah. Decided to go for a walk today. Check out this campground a little bit more. It's really warm today. It's in the 40s and the lake is starting to thaw out a bit out there, but check out those chunks of ice. Isn't that cool? Right behind my campsite. Guess I should explore a little bit more, you know? Yeah. Nice little creek. Just following this little groomed trail here. We're gonna see where it leads. Oh, neat. Leads to a sledding hill. Cool. But I don't have a sled. Maybe shopping later on the week? That looks like fun. Go sledding? Yeah. The kid in me wants to come out. Ooh, that looks real safe. Yeah. Odd. Also, there's these weird rocks. See, they're all like layered, like a cake. I'm guessing they're natural, it's just, they're weird. The trail has kind of taken me starting to go back towards the campsite, but I just had to stop here and enjoy the sounds of the dripping snow, the birds. Man, all those years I've been cooped up on my computer desk, on my computer, in my home office, playing online, and there was this whole world out here that I'd never seen. Feels like I've wasted the first portion of my life, but I guess now's a better time than any to enjoy this. I'm loving this. Not sure what this is all about, but there's a cross overlooking the lake here. Man, those ice chunks. Whew, they're huge. I mean, just look at that. Wouldn't want to walk out there, though. So here are the bathhouse accommodations. Got your toilets. Then in here is the showers. And they take quarters. Yeah. 50 cents for 3 minutes. Well, halfway through the truck driving school. It's been about 2 weeks. Just got a fresh layer of snow last night. Yeah. It is 14 degrees outside right now, 60 in here. We got some firewood, some lighter fluid. We're setting up for a bonfire. Oh yeah. I usually like to lay out my logs like this, some kindling in between the mix, and then on the top, I put one of those Walmart, like, 2-hour, they're fireplace logs. I use that as my fire starter. So I'm gonna soak all this down in the fluid, and then I'm gonna light it up, and what'll happen is the fire, all this coals will go down into here, and then this will get really hot and burn really fast and hot. Ooh, it feels so good. And when it burns down to that last layer there, I add some more wood to it, and it'll burn beautifully. Yeah, you'll see. It's a new treat. Yeah, I learned something new here about a campfire. I call it AnthWare's Bonfire. Got this thing soaked down, let's light it. Yeah, look at that baby go. Yeah, and I will check in after this gets warmed up. I'll show you how, oh, I feel the heat already. This feels so good. Oh yeah, look at that. See how the coals now are going to the bottom, burning all the bottom wood? This thing is so hot, I can barely sit next to it, and it's 10 degrees outside right now. 10 degrees. Yeah. As I sit here, I'm gonna let this burn, finish my firewood, and I'm gonna enjoy a beautiful winter sunset. Toasty by the fire. Look at that sunset. Almost down over the lake. Oh yeah. Beautiful winter sunset. Ooh. Bye-bye, sun. We'll see you tomorrow. Ah. Well, dog diggity dong it. This is what I just came home to. Yeah. Our truck driving school today got canceled. It snowed almost about 6 inches. But yeah, time to dig out the campsite. The joys of winter camping. Some might think this sucks, but that view makes it all worthwhile. Out of the cold, back in Fort Wayne, and we're gonna check out this place that I've, never been to. It's called Science Central here. Oh wow, this place has got a lot going on here. Cool. Ooh, I could hang Tommy from that, upside down, and he could fall all the way down there. Ooh, look at that slide. I used to love these as a kid. Yeah, you can put your hand underneath it, make symbols, Yeah, that's really, really neat. When I was a kid, I used to make earrings out of these. Yeah. Pretty rocks. Now that's the life. Just laying on a rock. Bet you that's all you do. Ooh, an echo tube. Can you hear me in there? Hello? Click, click, on me vlog. Click, click, all day long. What in the world is this? Whoa, it's me. It's me vlogging. Whoa. Whoa, dude. Psychedelic vlogging. Woo-hoo, yeah. Double rainbow, all the way across the sky. Woo. It's a very colorful steam turbine. That kid agrees. This is kind of weird. It's supposed to be an optical illusion room. Whoa. Whoa.
This one's not really fun. Okay, I'm doing it.
Whoa. This does mess with your head. This really does mess with your head. It's like, oh. Oh, you're supposed to lay down on this. Oh, okay. Now everything feels straight when you lay on these pads.
Oh, I'm already scared.
Yeah, it does make you feel weird. Well, that was fun. Nice little day trip. Cool. So while in truck driving school, they took us to the cheese factory. We got some cheese curds here, some bison summer sausage, smoky chipotle jack, and I've already kind of munched this one, but this is habanero pepper cheese. And I can already tell you this stuff is good. I'm gonna miss having that, but I'm gonna cut all this up and we're gonna enjoy it. That was good, huh, honey?
Yes, it was.
Yeah. Still, the habanero one is the best. Man, look at that dirty girl. She got dirty on the trip home, didn't she? Yep. Well, that ends it. Winter camping back here in Fort Wayne. Next, I start the over-the-road training. Now that I have my CDL, I got that bad boy. Yes, achievement unlocked. So next, I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to be over the road. So that's where it's going to happen from now. I'm going to be going from RV life to truck life here soon. But yeah, I'm going to miss my girl. So stay tuned, and we'll see what adventures happen next in my butt-fucked RV. This is Anthony from AnthWare, and from this time and every time on, folks, keep on clicking on my butt-fucked RV. This is Anthony from AnthWare, signing off.